Now, all I did here is I pretty much made one teepee here and another teepee there. And you lay a piece across. You can add you some more diagonals. And I just made sure to bury them nice and deep and put chunks of rock and concrete around it to make sure it don't go nowhere. But hell, if I just get a couple years out of it, then it'd be more than worth it. I'm only putting this together with some jute twine, so this is literally costing me $3 at most. So very easy, and I constructed this all by myself, probably about 12, 14 foot tall. But, and since there's going to be a bunch of extra weight on this, since we're going to have a bunch of heavy gourds all over it, I put some uprights. All I did was cut notches into them so the horizontal beam would sit down into them, and just lash them together real good. All I'm doing, spot tilling, one spot every about 4 feet, and I'm just going to put more cross pieces on it, and all my gourds, as well as some loofahs, I'll have growing all over this thing. And we'll finish that process until we have cross pieces going all the way up and down this thing. And I already got it all planted. Just want to water it in and finish this up, and there you have it. Nice fancy big old gourd house made out of bamboo.